This is Matt, and this will be a short, straightforward video on how to convert a Google Doc into an HTML format. So for whatever reason, you have a Google Doc, however big, and you want to actually convert this into HTML files, into web page files, what you can do, there's a very quick way to do this from within Google Docs. I've just got some random text and images open here for the purposes of the video. You will come up to the very top where it says File, click on File. Then you will hover about halfway down on Download, and this will open up all the different download export options we've got here, all the usual ones like Microsoft Word. We've got PDF here, plain text, rich text format, and then this one, for the purposes of this video, we have webpage.html. So what this will do is this will actually download all the pages that you have. I just have 2 in this random demo Google Doc, but however many pages are on your Google Doc, they will be created as .html file format, which is a web page file format, hypertext markup language it stands for, and this will be zipped. So this will save a zip file. You will literally just open a zip file and your HTML files will be in there, made of your composite Google Doc. So we will click on that. We click on HTML on the web page one. Just like that, we see the icon go flying up there. I'm on a Mac, and that is a universal symbol that something has been downloaded. So that will send to your main downloads location, depending on your browser configuration, where your downloads location is. You will know where it is. Mine just goes to the default downloads folder. You will find your zip there, open up the zip, the HTML files will be in there. So that was a short video on how to actually create an HTML file or files from a Google Doc. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.